Hello folks, welcome back. ClipDrop is an innovative platform that offers a suite of AI-powered tools for image editing and manipulation. Here's an overview. Key features. ClipDrop's AI model can identify and remove unwanted objects, people, or defects from images. Users can replace objects or areas in an image with something else, like replacing a wall with a different texture. Generate images from text prompts using AI. Remove noise, blemishes, or unwanted elements from images. This tool allows users to sketch and generate images based on their doodles. How it works. Users can upload images or provide text prompts to utilize ClipDrop's AI models. The platform's algorithms process the input and generate the desired output, whether it's removing objects, replacing elements, or generating new images. Benefits. ClipDrop automates many image editing tasks, saving users time and effort. The platform's intuitive interface makes it accessible to users without extensive image editing experience. ClipDrop's tools enable users to explore new creative possibilities, such as generating images from text prompts. Potential applications. ClipDrop can be used for graphic design, advertising, and marketing materials. Photographers can use ClipDrop to edit and enhance their photos. Artists and illustrators can leverage ClipDrop's tools to generate new ideas and explore different styles. Platforms and accessibility. ClipDrop is accessible through its website. No software installation required, and users can utilize ClipDrop's tools directly in their web browser. Test this tool and please do let us know your comment. Thanks for watching and see you next time with another tool.